Prop 12 is all about farm animals and what you think is best for them. It's meant to provide more living space for egg-laying hens, veal calves, and pregnant pigs. If that sounds familiar, maybe it's because we voted on all that a decade ago. In 2008, Prop 2 made it law that these animals need to have enough room to, quote, turn around freely, lie down, stand up, and fully extend their limbs. Trouble is, nobody ever said what that actually means on measuring tape. Prop 12 has square footage requirements for those animals. Hens are where the most controversy lies. Right now, state regulators enforce a requirement of 0.8 of a square foot per hen. Prop 12 would up that to a whole square foot of floor space starting in 2020 and then require cage-free housing 2 years later. Farmers could still pack birds into a building together between 1 and 1.5 square feet per hen, but not with cages. Some farmers are against this because they don't want to have to make changes for a new set of rules so soon after that 2008 vote. But interestingly, the formal campaign against Prop 12 is actually made up of more animal activists, hardliners who say Prop 12 doesn't give enough space per bird and that it doesn't end cage farming quickly enough. They do rightly point out that Prop 12 would literally put the egg industry's own 2017 standards for hens into our state law, but they couldn't point me to a pending alternative that would ban the cages any sooner. The Humane Society, which is driving the Yes campaign, says it's just not realistic to expect the egg industry to reinvent itself overnight, and they say getting rid of the cages is a major win because the birds will have more room to walk around and scratch.